Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic, Antimatabole, is defined and explained in detail with understandable examples. But if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. Without wasting your time, let's start it. It can be defined as: Antimatabole is a rhetorical device where words or phrases are repeated in reverse order to create emphasis or balance in a sentence or phrase. What does it mean? Simply, it means that it is a rhetorical device, and in this device the author writes down phrases and words in a repeated order. Basically, it involves the reversal of grammatical structure or word order for rhetorical effect. I think you are not getting the point. Just look at these examples. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. Look at this example. This is a famous quotation used by John F. Kennedy. Actually, he uses Antimatabole to emphasize the importance of citizens contributing to their country rather than expecting everything from it. The phrases, "what your country can do for you," and "what you can do for your country," are repeated in reverse order to create balance and emphasis. So, this is simply called Antimatabole in English literature. Eat to live, not live to eat. This is another example of Antimatabole. You can see it reverses the phrases, eat to live, and live to eat. It is used to convey the idea that eating should serve the purpose of sustaining life rather than becoming the sole focus or pleasure in life. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. This phrase reverses the phrases, "the going gets tough," and "the tough get going," creating an Antimatabole. It emphasizes the idea that in challenging situations, resilient individuals take action. By reversing the phrases, the statement gains symmetry and rhetorical impact, making it memorable and persuasive. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.